Hi everyone, I'm Ashley Haken, Technology Integration Specialist with SWWC. Today we're looking at Canva's Translate tool. Whether you communicate with multilingual families or teach multilingual learners, this feature can save you tons of time. Let's get started. I'm starting with a simple newsletter, but you can use any Canva project. Classroom posters, parent letters, assignments, or slides. To find the translation tools, click on Apps in the left toolbar. Then type Translate into the search box and select the Translate app. From here, choose the original language of your design and then select the language you want to translate into. Canva supports over 100 languages, including Spanish, Somali, Hmong, Arabic, Portuguese, and many more. You can choose to translate just the current page, the entire design, or select text from the pages. For newsletters, family communication, or any multi-page document, translate whole design is usually the best option. When you translate the whole design, Canva instantly generates the translation, duplicates the page, and keeps the original English page. It keeps the layout, fonts, and colors intact so everything stays clean and professional. Translate to as many languages as you need. There are a variety of settings options. Fine-tune the settings until documents are created to your preferences. Canva's translations are strong, but not perfect. Always proofread if you can, or have a bilingual colleague or family liaison glance over the text to ensure clarity and tone. You can use the translation tool for parent newsletters, assignment directions, class expectations, visual schedules, project instructions, anything you want families and students to understand clearly, no matter their home language. And that's it. Stay tuned for our next edition of Canva's powerful tools presented by SWWC's Technology Integration Team.